What's up, YouTube? Alright, so here's a quick update in my garden. Got my boxes in, pretty exciting, and I got them filled up with poo. Check it out. My apologies, but I was supposed to film what I actually put underneath that horse manure. So underneath that, I actually stacked logs all the way from one side all the way to the other side. That way I have something kind of hold the moisture in the soil, as it hopefully adds some nutrients to the soil as well. So I got both boxes filled up and ready to rock and roll. So now the next step is adding a bunch of that topsoil over there, and then I'm going to mix it in. There's a lot of dirt. Okay, now that I'm out of breath, and it's really hot out. It's a nice day, but man, it's humid. But I got all the boxes filled up. Okay, I got my boxes in. That's a small little garden, but got some big old tomato plants coming up, courtesy of Tin Can Gardener, so thank you very much. All right, here we go. So we have a few things. So we got some sweet bell peppers here. Oh, this guy. I just need to get some little something to tie that thing up so he doesn't fall over on me and die. A bunch of carrots that I transplanted and a couple lumps of potatoes. I do love me some potatoes. The update, I don't know if you can see in there, my turmeric just sprouted. I've been waiting forever for these things to sprout. And I'm already getting tomatoes. Check this out. See that guy? It's gonna be delicious. These plants got a little bit of a problem, so probably not gonna produce much, but that's all right. Because that big old banana bushel is gonna make up for it. See you guys later. You should see the amount of plants. Let's see if we could probably spy. Let's try to spy through the trees on him. Tin Can, I know he's working over there somewhere. See if we can spot him. Nope. Oh, there he comes, there he comes. There he goes. I know he's got some crazy amounts of plants. Everybody is in trouble. Except for Team Willow Grove. We know we're gonna beat, especially when we got Mr. Tin Can Garden over there working. That guy's out there day and night. So you better be scared, Arkansas woodcutter. Real scared. I told you he's working hard over here. Look at that row. That's gonna be one of like 50. Mr. Arkansas woodcutter, you're in for it.